Ready to breathe easier and live lighter? Let's unlock the wisdom of Alan Watts. Alan Watts, the philosopher with a knack for clarity, taught us the art of letting go, yes he believed that clinging tightly to our desires, fears and expectations ties us in knots. Let go, he said, and the world will reveal its wonders. Imagine holding onto a rope, your hands aching from the strain. Now imagine releasing that rope. Relief, right? That's the essence of Watts's wisdom. By letting go, we stop fighting the current and start flowing with life. It's about trusting the journey and embracing uncertainty. And Watts reminds us that freedom isn't about having control, it's about surrendering control. It's in that surrender we find peace. So next time you're overwhelmed, remember Watts' words. You release the grip, let go, and watch the magic unfold. Feeling lighter already? Well, that's the power of letting go, Alan Watts style.